Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video for years 2020 and up Ford F-250. Tools needed for this install is a 1/4" screwdriver, 1/4" ratchet, short 10mm socket, short 13mm socket, small flat blade screwdriver, and a panel popper. Now let's get started. Moving to the front driver's side, we're going to start by peeling open this weather strip and removing this 13mm bolt securing the bottom of the headlight. After you open your hood, we're going to remove 14 plastic push pins securing the radiator shroud. Next, we're going to unseat the radiator shroud. Next, remove 6 10mm bolts securing the top of the grille. Next, we're going to remove 2 10mm nuts securing the sides of the grille. This next step, we're going to remove 2 10mm bolts securing the bottom sides of the grille. So we're going to start by removing this access cover with a small flat blade screwdriver. We're going to get it from the side and then just unclip it that way. Next, we're going to remove the 10mm bolt. Now let's do the same to the other side. Next, we're going to unseat the grille. So we're going to unclip it on the sides, carefully pull it back. After removing your grille, we're going to remove 2 10mm bolts securing the top of the headlight. Next, we're going to unseat the headlight. We're going to lift up on this tab to unclip it. And then here we have a ball joint socket lodged into the fender. We're going to carefully unclip it. And then from here, just going to unseat your headlight. Next, we're going to unplug all 4 connectors. Just press down on the tab and disconnect. Unplug your low beam. Unplug your side marker. Unplug your turn signal. And unplug your high beam. Go ahead and bring over your new headlight. Turn it over to the back. Start by unplugging in our low beam. Make sure it's secure. Plug in our high beam. Make sure it's secure. Plug in your turn signal. Make sure it's secure. And plug in your side marker. Make sure it's secure. Now you're going to tuck your wires in. Now go ahead and carefully seat your headlight in place. We're gonna drop the bottom part of the headlight in first, and then we're gonna line up the ball joint socket with the slot and clip your headlight in. Next, reinstall the two 10mm bolts. Next, reinstall the 13mm bolt, securing the bottom of the headlight. Now let's repeat the same process to the passenger side. After installing your headlights, going to reinstall your grille. Next, reinstall the two 10mm bolts, securing the bottom sides of the grille. Next, reinstall the two 10mm nuts. After that, reinstall the six 10mm bolts, securing the top of the grille. After that, reinstall your radiator shroud along with the 14 plastic push pins. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.